Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today. Moving into crisscross arms. Scoop your right arm under your left, placing opposite hand to shoulder. Adding a twist, begin to gently rotate from right to left, keeping your spine long and your shoulders relaxed, allowing this twisting action to re-energize and nourish your spine. Pausing at center, inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, draw your chin towards your chest. Taking a few slow, deep breaths here, gently stretching through your shoulders, upper back, and neck. Release and repeat on the opposite side. Scoop your left arm under your right, placing opposite hand to shoulder. Maintain your arms as you gently rotate from right to left, allowing this movement to originate from your waist rather than your hips, arms, or shoulders. Pausing at center, inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, draw your chin towards your chest, feeling a gentle stretch through your neck, shoulders, and upper back. Release and return to center. Moving into a cat-cow stretch variation. With your hands to your thighs, inhale, lift through your heart. Exhale, round your spine, drawing your chin towards your chest. Continue flowing with this movement. With each inhale, lift through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades down your back, and with each exhale, round your spine, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, coiling your navel back, drawing your chin towards your chest. Release and return to center. Moving into a lateral stretch variation. Sitting tall, reach your left hand to your right leg and reach your right arm up and over to the left. Taking a few slow, deep breaths here, breathing wide into your right side body. Release and repeat on the opposite side. Reach your right hand to your left leg and your left arm up and over to the right, keeping the weight even in your hips. Breathing wide into your left side body. Release and return to center. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Now that was good.